In this video, I'm going to show you how to make strawberry bread. For this recipe, you're going to need 1.5 cups of strawberries, 1 tablespoon of flour, another 2 cups of flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. First thing you're going to do is wash off the strawberries and then dry them. Now cut off the stems of the strawberries and then cut the strawberries into small pieces. Now put a tablespoon of flour with the strawberries in a sealed bag and shake it up. In one bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt together. And in another bowl, combine the egg with both of the sugars. Now add in your buttermilk, oil, and vanilla. Now combine both mixtures. And next you're going to fold in the strawberries. Spray your bread pan with non-stick cooking spray and then pour your batter in. Cover your bread pan with aluminum foil. Place it in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees and bake for 30 minutes. Remove the foil and then cook for an additional 20 to 30 minutes until the bread is done. You can test for doneness by sticking a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, it's done. Remove from the oven and place on a wire rack to cool. At this point, you can be done and have wonderful tasting bread, but if you want icing, stay tuned. For the icing, you're going to need 1 cup of powdered sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and starting off with 2 tablespoons of milk. You can add more to get to the consistency you want. Just mix everything together. This is a little bit too thick, so I'm going to add a little bit more milk. The trick of it is just to add a little bit at a time. You don't want to add too much and then have to start all over. You could always add a little bit and then add a little bit more. And this looks perfect. Now all that's left to do is cover the bread with the icing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try to make this, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.